हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड कि एक आम पाकिस्तानी इंडिया के बारे में क्या सोचता है एंड उसके ऊपर एक पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट ये क्यों बोलेगा?
And actually, whenever I go meet other people from other nations, I tell them we both are Indians. You can see our skin color. we are Indians.
Hey all, welcome back. Today is the day 1 at Ancient Global Symposium. आज अपन देखेंगे कि एक्चुअली सिंपोजियम में क्या होता है एंड ऑनेस्टली जितना स्ट्रगल मुझे इंडिया से बीजिंग पहुंचने में नहीं लगा उससे कई गुना ज्यादा स्ट्रगल लगा इवेंट के लोकेशन पर पहुंचने में, और कैसे मैंने पैनल डिस्कशन में इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए एक ऐसा सवाल पूछा जिसका जवाब ही कोई दे नहीं पाया। और अपन ये भी जानेंगे कि क्या एक इंडियन चाइनीज फूड सर्वाइव कर सकता है। और डे 1 के लास्ट एक्टिविटी में मैंने डोनाल्ड ट्रंप, ईरान वॉर और एप्स्टीन फाइल्स के ऊपर एक सवाल पूछा जिसका जवाब मुझे मिला या नहीं मिला ये जानने के लिए वीडियो एंड तक देखना। There's a speculation that Mr. Donald Trump attacked Iran because he wanted people to divert their attention from Epstein files to something else. Firstly, is that true? So now let's start the day 1.
And welcome back to our channel once again. Today is day 1 of the YGSM and I'm quite running late because I couldn't wake up early and then I didn't have the information because I don't have the WeChat group. So many crazy things are happening, but even though I woke up late, I got ready within minutes and now I'm heading towards the event. Will reach there in 5 to 10 minutes because it is almost early morning. There is no one around जिनको आई कैन आस्क फॉर अ लिफ्ट. दिस इज़ दी स्काई वॉक. यहाँ पे एक बहुत लंबी सड़क जाती है एंड उस तरह पे पेकिंग यूनिवर्सिटी का मॉडल मेरा इस तरफ है एंड बीच में ये स्काई वॉक है. सो वी हैव टू क्रॉस दिस एंड देन विल बी इन द पेकिंग यूनिवर्सिटी. वहाँ से ज़्यादा दूर है नहीं है, बट अगेन वीचैट ना होना इज़ अ वेरी रिस्की थिंग. बट लुक एट दिस रोड, इट्स ह्यूज. And the weather is cold. I feel good about it. Else, it would have been very difficult to suit up in such kind of weather. I am at the security check before Peking University, and I'll have to showcase my passport before it, so that I get an entry. बाकी यहाँ पे entry काफ़ी high-tech होते हैं. All you have to do is just scan your face if you are a student, and you'll be all in. But for people like me, as an international student, we have to give a passport to gentleman here, and then we'll be given the entry. Can I go? Thank you. It is done. The entry is sorted. Thanks to this document. Now I have to search for a lift again. कि इस बार तो मिल जाए यार. यहाँ पे तो लग रहे हैं लोग. I'll show you. This is the Grand Peking University, and you can see यहाँ पे buildings काफ़ी ही ancient infra से बने हुए हैं. Not all of them, obviously, but many of them, and it makes it look very beautiful. Plus the roads are grand, wide. It looks spacious everywhere. Okay, lift. नहीं, इनसे तो नहीं मांग सकता लिफ्ट. किससे मांगूँ मैं लिफ्ट? अजीब प्रॉब्लम में फंस गया यार. द कम्युनिकेशन इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट हियर, यू नो. वेरी फ्यू पीपल स्पीक इंग्लिश. आपको मैं एक चीज़ दिखाता हूँ. हैव यू नोटिस दिस कि यहाँ पे सब कुछ कितना क्लीन है. एवरीथिंग सुपर क्लीन. देयर आर कॉप्स रोमिंग अराउंड एवरीवेयर so that they make sure no one is making any ruckus. यहाँ पे क्लासेस चल रही है and मैं लेट चल रहा हूँ. Excuse me, do you speak English? Yeah. Can you help me with this Quilling Auditorium?
You want to where? Showroom, Bagashi.
Yeah, this place. Is the map correct? I have put the map. Can you just confirm?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the Quilling Auditorium, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. I think this is the building. I hope so. Yeah, this looks like Ancient Academy. यहीं पे होना चाहिए. Oh my God, no one's here. How do I reach out to someone? Excuse me? Quilling Auditorium? Sorry.
From this, go straight and turn right. You will see the hall.
Thank you so much. I guess we have reached finally. ये जगह है मेरे हिसाब से. इसी साइड में उन्होंने. Oh, this place. Yeah, this looks familiar. It has name written on it. Got it. Oh, hi. I was hoping I was not the late one. Thank you for giving me company.
We will be late together.
Yeah.
Fortunately, I was not the only one who got late. जैसे ही मैं ऑडिटोरियम में पहुंचता हूँ, I see that it is fully packed. Starting में एक Chinese dance session होता है, उसके बाद speakers give their talk.
We're having a mid break in between. Now we are gonna get photos there because What is your good name again?
Say that again.
What's your name?
Lori.
Yeah.
Or Yi, if that's.
Okay, so she's helping me with the photos. Thank you so
Okay,
much. If you're getting
yeah.
amazing videos, she's the person behind it.
Thank you.
So now we're going inside again because panel is starting and everything is too scheduled here. मतलब एक के बाद एक चीज़ हो रही है. If I want to spend more time on photos or videos, I can't do that. I have to go back, run here.
Now I feel that this was the most important panel among all the panels in Yenching Global Symposium because this was discussing actually a sensitive topic which is the global power order. And यहाँ पे mostly इन्होंने USA versus China के rivalry के बारे में discussion किया. And I was like यार what about the developing countries? What about my country like India? And that is why I asked this question.
Hello, my name is Rushi. I'm from India, and I have a question that in a multipolar world, the biggest challenge is deciding who sets the global rules. And while US and China compete over technology and trade, we are seeing a fresh momentum for emerging countries, for a country like India. How do they convert themselves into making the rules instead of just following the rules?
I patiently listened to the answer given by panelists, but honestly, they didn't address my question. They did say one thing that they're trying to do something with India, but Indian government is not allowing. And I mean, there are two sides to this story. Definitely, कुछ तो होगा इसी कारण से इंडियन गवर्नमेंट में अलाउ नहीं किया होगा. But they didn't really point that out. Just बोल दिया कि ये खुद कुछ नहीं करना चाहते, which I don't believe is right.
Take the AIB, as I mentioned, a very successful multilateral institution. India is the second largest stakeholder in the AIB. So there's absolutely a path for India to be very proactive. I was told just yesterday by an Indian friend that the new development bank, the BRICS Bank in Shanghai, China offered to India to have the headquarters in India. And India rejected that. They preferred to get the presidency. That was I was told, and I quit.
Our first session has been completed. Now we are moving towards lunch, and I'm very hungry. I skipped breakfast. I skipped dinner because yesterday was too hectic. But now finally, खाना मिलेगा. I expect that I get something good because it's very rare that I like the authentic Chinese food. So this is the place where we'll have our lunch. We have Zaid here from Pakistan, our neighboring country, and he has been studying here for a long time, right?
I'm doing masters
Okay.
in agriculture entomology in Nanjing Agricultural University.
Okay.
And it's my third year. I'm going to graduate in about 2 months.
Okay.
So yeah,
That's great.
that's it.
Oh, we have to pull it. My bad. Thank you. So I have one question before we enter. What do you think about India?
India is great people,
Yeah.
and I have. Whenever I met Indian people, they are very good and nice. But media
Has created a problem between
yes,
us, right?
represented them very badly. I don't think the people are like.
I also think the same.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
whoever I met here in China, very good people. Very nice.
I also have
And-
met multiple people from your country last
Yeah.
time when I came to China, and my experience was super great.
And actually, whenever I go meet other people from other nations, I tell them we both are Indians. You can see our skin color. we are all Indians, basically.
Yeah, essentially, until the British came and.
Yeah, the culture is. I'm talking about the culture. is like.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are like same culture, but definitely politics and media has made us like. Well, it's bad.
ये तो मत खाना आप, ये न्यूरो है, अरे मतलब बीफ है.
Okay, okay,
ये
okay,
मत
got
खाना आप. बाकी ठीक है, अच्छा लगता है मुझे तो यहाँ
ठीक है.
का सिंगजांग का टेस्ट अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
ठीक है, यहाँ से ट्राई करो बेसिकली. Cool. So, oh, by the way, I didn't introduce Yahiya. I'll tell you. So, he is also from India, and ये यहाँ पे पढ़ रहा है Mandarin language. And ये यहाँ पे 1 साल से almost. He has helped me a lot to plan my documents and everything. But yeah, we'll talk to him again.
ये मटन है.
Okay, mutton I will try. तो उनको बताओ कैसे कि I want this and this with noodle. मतलब ये तो इशारों से ही आप.
मुझे भी लैंग्वेज
I'll try that. ठीक है. आप कितनी बोल लेते हो मैंडरिन?
मैं 3 साल से पढ़ रहा हूँ.
अच्छा तो कन्वे कर सकती हैं ठीक है इन केस आई फेल ही इज देयर टू हेल्प मी
Yeah, I'm
एक्सक्यूज
already.
मी ओके सो दिस you and noodles
今天早上没了，
ये क्या मेला?
没面啥，只有米饭了。
कोई मीठा. सिर्फ चावल है बोल रही हैं वो नूडल्स खत्म हो गए.
ठीक है जो
米饭。
या
और आपको ये भी चाहिए.
हाँ एंड वन
तो आप ये बोलो कि ईगा यांगरो चुआर. ईगा
ईगा
यांगरो
यांगरो
चुआर.
चोर
Yes.
ईगा
ईगा यांगरो चुआर.
ओके लेट्स ट्राई ईगा यांगरो चोर उन्होंने सुन लिया है मुझे दो ही शब्द आते हैं निहा शिशि
यही जरूरत होती है लैंग्वेज करने के लिए.
फाइनली मुझे इंडियन टेस्ट वाला थोड़ा बहुत खाना मिल गया थैंक्स टू जाइद एंड याहिया. खाना खाते हुए मैंने जाइद से काफ़ी सारे बातें पढ़ी एंड मैं ये जान के हैरान हो गया था कि पाकिस्तान में बहुत सारे लोग इंडियन यूट्यूबर्स को फॉलो करते हैं.
जस्ट खाना खा के हम निकल चुके हैं बाहर बट एक चीज़ मैंने अभी डिस्कवर करी यहाँ पे लोग खाने के बाद पानी नहीं पीते और हाथ धोने का तो कंसेप्ट ही नहीं है बिकॉज दे ईट विद चॉपस्टिक्स सो देयर इज़ नो हैंड वॉश एरिया देयर इज़ नो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर एरिया लॉल यही आया एंड लाइक द Pakistani guys have gone to the shop to buy something and I'm going towards the event area again because I have to make so many videos. So right now we are going for a breakout session and the location for it is very very pretty. मतलब आप देख सकते हो कि देखने में ही कितना प्यारा लग रहा है and wow this is going to be awesome. This is so nice.
Algo así. Niño desde acá para hasta el fondo y después el cerro de palas era todo el palacio, era el ciudad imperial.
Smells so nice here. Kind of the department of the Enching Academy, we can say. This is so pretty. It smells very nice here. The natural flowers.
अभी फाइनली जाके हमें जो पैनलिस्ट थे उनके साथ 1-on-1 डिस्कशन करने का मौका मिला बिकॉज नाउ दिस वाज इन अ कंजर्व स्पेस जहाँ पे कम लोग थे एंड वी कुड एक्चुअली इंटरेक्ट 1-on-1 विद द पैनलिस्ट एंड यहीं पे मैंने ढूंढा मौका बिकॉज द पैनलिस्ट टोल्ड मी दैट ही इज़ एन एक्सपर्ट ऑन डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प एंड देन आई कुडंट रेजिस्ट बट आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन. So sir, can I ask a bold question?
Yeah.
I have a pretty bold one. So based on my understanding and the articles present on internet, there's a speculation that Mr. Donald Trump attacked Iran because he wanted people to divert their attention from Epstein files to something else. Firstly, is that true? And secondly, if that's not true, why did he attack Iran?
Okay, yeah. So this is called a divisionary war. If you are stuck in trouble domestically, try to divert it.
फाइनली मुझे अपने क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिला अनलाइक इनिशियली जो हुआ था एंड दिस वाज रियली अ ग्रेट आंसर. द पैनलिस्ट टोल्ड अस मल्टीपल थिंग्स एंड इवेंचुअली लेड टू द crux of it, but unfortunately I can't really showcase it publicly on YouTube because if I do that the panelist would be in a much bigger problem and I don't want him to be in that situation. Guys, this was the day 1 at Enching Global Symposium. It was full of amazing experiences. If you have loved the video and अगर आपको ये informative लगा तो please subscribe and like the video. And अगर आपको इसमें अगले साल participate करना है via which you can have a fully funded trip to China, comment YGS and I will share you the details. And stay excited for day 2 because at day 2 we went to the robot mall at Beijing where we interacted with a lot of robots and even I recorded a fun segment with foreign students. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो देखना हो तो आपको स्क्रीन पे ऑप्शन दिख रहा होगा, go and check it out.
To me, Rusicha, video of the like
Yeah.